As soon as the gingerbread comes out of the oven, you're going to recut the gingerbread using the same tools you used the first time around. So we got our pizza cutter to make the long edge cuts, and then when necessary, we're going to use the X-Acto knife. Here we have the X-Acto knife to make some of the more delicate cuts. For the window, we use a square cookie cutter to make quick work of that. After we've let them cool a little, after we've done our second cut, we can go and pull those excess pieces off the edge, place them in the scrap bowl. Your kids will love the scrap bowl. It makes for good eating, especially dipping in coffee. But we're going to remove those excess pieces gently.
This will be used for extra decorating.
So we can also use it for extra decorating. And then we're going to transfer it off of the tray using a large spatula. In this case, we have a nice large commercial spatula that we got at a local restaurant store. In this case, you see we're pulling out the door. We're going to keep that door for decoration later. You can also keep the scraps for decoration later. They're great to be able to pull apart and do all kinds of interesting stuff. We just transfer it off of the tray, place it onto a cooling rack, and let it cool. Once they're cooler, we transfer them over to a non-rack surface. We let them sit overnight. Sometimes, depending on the humidity in the air, you might need to let them sit for more than 24 hours. And then afterwards, you can stack them up, replace them into a tray, many pieces. In this case, we're making a whole bunch of houses. But if you're only making 1 or 2 houses, you can just let them lay out until they're nice and dry and hard.